Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's afternoon and it's June 1st. And classic case of ABCD pattern. I just saw that. I've been trading all morning, but this one is just moving a little slow, and I saw this pattern and I thought, I've never got you an ABCD pattern. I don't remember, but coming to you from a DAS platform. And as usual, I'm going to put in my lines. And with this one, unlike Webull, you have to find the bottom and the top. So as I am looking at this now, I can see that this is all the way at the tippy top, but I know it has a lot of room to grow. So let me see if I can slide over to find the highest point on here. All right, there it is coming up, and I don't think I can go any further on here. I'm on my laptop. Okay, so I'm putting that in, and I will be adjusting my lower line here, and I'm gonna draw my Fibonacci line in DAS. All right, so there it is. Where I'm looking for it to go, it is somewhere between this support resistance right here or right here, something close, but let's see, 1009 is where I'm looking for it to go. So yeah, classic ABCD pattern. Wanted to bring that to you. I hope everybody did well this morning. NVGS was my thing. Did that. All right, but now I was just looking around and I thought, you know what, let me bring this one to you. All right, so let's just spread this out so we can see it a little better. All right, so for those of you who are joining me for the first time, the name is Lola Claire, and I am just coming on here to just show you my strategy. You know, I'm trying to give back to the trading community. If anybody, you know, needs help, you know, and can follow what I do and make money, then yes, because, you know, this is how I do it. All right, so one thing I want to, you know, talk about while we wait on this thing is my time and sales right here. Time and sales. If you right click on it and go into configure, it can tell you what these are all about. So the white figures that you see, the price going down, is what's going on in the background. The darker green, if you want to call it, is above ask. Well, it is actually self-explanatory. So those people who are selling above the ask, those who are selling at ask, that's inside trading. The red is at the bid and the pink is below the bid, and you know, this is the bid, this is the ask, right? Bid, ask. So they are asking for $9.59. The buyers want it for $9.58. All right, so we're looking at this for A, B, C, and we're hoping we can get a D up. So this has been consolidating from 10:45 and it's now 1:57. So there's a lot of trading going on. Look at that volume right here. It's up 4.8%. There's a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. You know, this is a montage, level 2 here. We're not in the trade, but we're just watching to see what happens. All right, so I may just go to an interlude of music while we see if we're actually going to get a D up. But I just thought this would be a good one to come and show you. All right, be back. stock price is increasing actually. All right, so the bulls are coming out in colors. Let's see, 963. Always gonna have $2,000 in equity. We're still gonna go with 4-to-1, so 800 shares. So we're in with 800 shares at 960. All right, so looking good so far on that ABCD pattern. Like I said, A, B, C, and then we're gonna get a D. So just waiting on this thing to pop, but the volume here, never usually like getting into a stock with that much volume, but we'll see. We're up $16 unrealized right there, and we got in at 207. It's now 213, so it's not too bad. I want to at least try to get for higher day or a minimum of let me see, that's my fib line, minimum of here, which is a major support resistance. Let's see if we can change that color, make it orange. All right, so minimum of that red line right there of 989. Let's see if we can get that. So we're gonna put in 989. We're gonna do a limit sell. All right, so now we wait. Yes, it's 2:17 in the afternoon, so I don't want to be too aggressive here. So yeah, we're gonna just get out at 989. Hopefully this thing can pop up to there. So just to give you a little insight, I use this just to keep track of my time on sales and watch level 2. I understand this a little better than watching it on Webull. I have this set up, you know, just to watch and see, and oftentimes the Fibonacci retracement versus Fibonacci line here, they don't always match up, because one of the things is I have to find the bottom and the top here, while in Webull it's given to me, so that's a little bit more accurate. But I like the setup here where I can watch my time and sales and stuff. And what you're seeing here now is buyers. We're up $40, and it's been 15 minutes in the trade, but we should see a nice pop here, because this is getting more and more convincing that this is actually the ABCD pattern. And like I said, I've not brought that to you before, so I just wanted to grab that here now that I'm seeing it, even though it's 2:23, and I'm not usually in trades at this time of day, but just wanted to grab this opportunity to show that to you. Now we're up $56 on the trade. Still want to get out, because like I said, it's late in the day, and I just, you know, I don't want to be in here very long. So with our $2,000 in equity, and remember, for those of you joining here for the first time, we're always going to have $2,000, because this channel is geared toward beginner traders and traders with low equity. People are coming in wanting to learn how to trade. So that's what this channel is about. Always going to have $2,000 equity. It's not about what we make here. It's just about how we plan our trade, watch to see patterns, something that we are familiar with, something that we want to trade, and we are we can't be 100% certain, but we are more comfortable trading like this, because this is something that we have seen before. It operates like this on more than one occasion, and we're just a little bit more comfortable watching this move and holding for the pop. So still waiting. We're now still unrealized at $48. It's just moving slow, but still want to get out at 989 with our 800 shares. We've already set that here, a limit sell, and just waiting for that pop. All right, we're almost there. But like I said, I don't like volumes this high. It just does this. So, but I had to just grab this opportunity to show this to you and to show you this other platform. It's very simple to use. You have all your lines here, and I'm usually watching my stocks move through about 5 minutes or the 15 minutes, but and the daily, of course. But for right now, we're watching it in 15 minutes because it's the ABCD pattern is more pronounced. All right, we just have a few more cents to go. Just wish this thing would just hurry up and pop. So far, we've been in this trade for 21 minutes on a nice Monday evening. All right, and I think it's struggling right here on this support resistance. So let's see. Let me just get out of that. Okay. All right, I'm thinking it's gonna take that one right there. So let's just cancel this and just get out on market right there. All right, let's see. So ZNGA, we made $105, and that took us about 22 minutes to make. So 22 minutes ZNGA on this ABCD pattern, but we got out because it's in the afternoon, guys, and things move a little different. But you know, if you're brave enough and you want to hold on, you could get a nice follow through all the way to tomorrow by swinging this stock. But for beginner traders, just take your money and go. You made $100, $104.95 to be exact. Let the rest go. It's afternoon. You could join back this stock tomorrow morning if you so desire. All right, Lola Clear here, signing off. I'm just gonna go get some dinner. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and encourage me to bring you something every day. I'm gonna try to increase your knowledge, and the reason why I didn't bring you something this morning is that what I was in was a little bit more risky, and I don't want to you know, encourage you guys to trade the way I did. But after years of doing this, you can take risk. There are some things that you can see, you know, after trading for years that another person may not see, or you know, may interpret it wrong. But I want to bring you patterns that's safer to trade with, and you can make money by just trading 3 patterns. That's how I started, and then you can expand your knowledge. So for right now, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. 22 minutes or so in the trade, whatever I said before, $100, and we're good to go. This thing is right there on this major support resistance, so we're just gonna walk away with that. All right, guys, so remember, again, repeating myself, like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and I will catch you tomorrow. Okay, take care, guys. Goodbye.